Let's talk about dopamine and how not all dopamine is created equally, and how different tasks can raise your dopamine so high to where you don't even want to perform or do anything else, and some other tasks can help you to have more sustainable dopamine. And so what is dopamine in general? It is a neurotransmitter in your brain, so it's a chemical. It makes you feel good, it makes you feel pleasure, it keeps you focused, it helps move your body, and it makes you want things. A balanced level of dopamine says like, yay, let's do that thing again, whereas too low of dopamine is like, I don't even want to do anything anyway. Too high of dopamine makes you go, I'm too overwhelmed, I need to get something done, I don't even know what to do, I need more. What can attribute to having low levels of dopamine? Chronic stress or burnout, poor diet, having too much dopamine and then experiencing the crash, not enough sleep, not enough movement, not enough sunlight, isolation, ADHD, depression, and other conditions. What does it feel like to have low levels of dopamine? Feels like you can't think or focus, feel tired all the time even if you did get sleep, no motivation, lack of emotion, or feeling numbed out or feeling depressed or sad. Craving quick dopamine, so like scrolling, substances, binge eating. Let's talk about what attributes to having too high of levels of dopamine. Substances, especially stimulants, constantly getting dopamine hits, whether that's through hours of gaming, watching TV, chaotic situations with other people, binge eating, scrolling. Some mental health conditions such as schizophrenia, mania, psychosis. Too much dopamine from medications or supplements. What does having too much dopamine even feel like? Racing thoughts, feeling on edge or feeling hyper, feeling really anxious, impulsivity, risk-taking, trouble sleeping, having trouble sitting still, getting addicted to stuff really quickly, and then feeling like really numbed out or dissociated whenever that high eventually comes down. Real quick, before we talk about how to balance your dopamine levels, let's talk about what it even feels like to have balanced dopamine. Motivation feels natural, so basically you can focus without forcing it. Joy feels subtle, but steady. Not as many high highs and low lows. Like, yes, you still have your moments in life where it's a little bit challenging, but you're able to handle that a lot better. You're able to delay gratification and you don't mind doing that. Rest actually feels restful, and feeling present actually feels peaceful. So what are some activities that help you to balance your dopamine levels? Getting 10 to 30 minutes of sunlight in the morning, moving your body to the best of your ability for at least 20 minutes a day. Practice being bored with intention, just sitting with yourself, being okay with being present and being still. Basically saying that you need to be able to take breaks from having constant stimulation. Something that really helps with this is nervous system regulating techniques. Change your habits around, whether that's not getting on your phone first thing in the morning. This is a really big one because it builds trust with you, but it also boosts your dopamine. You're going to want to finish small tasks daily. Take time to reflect instead of just distracting yourself. Make sure to check in on yourself. Do activities that help you to rebuild your focus. Prioritizing your diet and your sleep to the best of your ability. Creating and expanding your community and actually seeing people in real life. Hope that helped at least one person. My name's Sarah, and I'm your favorite self-experimenting coach or companion, and I help get people reacquainted with who they most authentically are. You're an amazing person, and I hope you have the best day.